here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to show you how to take a deck of cards like this with the wax and stuff on it, or whatever the coating is, and do this and heat set it to make it stay. Okay, I'm using Tim Host Distress Oxide Vintage Photo, and let me clear my brush here. And I'm using like a foundation brush or something like that. I use makeup brushes for crafting. Just tap it and go off on your paper like that. And just start swirling it around. Swirl it. And make sure you get all the corners. Even if you have to tap it after, you can get the corners in there. If you want it darker, like I did on this one, all you have to do is add a little more of the vintage photo. See, I have some white spots on here. I'm just gonna go over it. This one's not heat set yet, so I can still go over it like that. Still got some white spots, but I like it like that. So now I'm gonna close up my ink. I'm gonna get my heat tool. Get something to hold my card in place, well, both of my cards, so I can dry them both, or heat set both of them. I'm gonna heat set them like this, just like that, so I can just hold it right here in the corner. It's hot enough. Just go over one at a time if you have to. Just a couple of times. You don't have to go through it that much. Okay? And it sets the color in and it doesn't come out. Okay? There you go. And wipe. And there's nothing. This is from me touching it before. So I'm going to use another finger. I'm rubbing. I mean, literally. And there's nothing. So that's just a little tip that I wanted to give you guys on to take a regular card and make it look vintage. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live or when I put up new content. Okay? So I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Stay safe. Be well. Be kind. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye bye, crafty angels.